Hi traders, good morning. This is Asim with daily analysis. Before I start my analysis, I would ask those who have just joined this channel and watching my video for the first time, kindly click on the subscribe button and give us a thumbs up at the end of this video if you like our video. Starting my analysis from the economic calendar, which is on tradewithasimandsajjad.com/economic calendar. We can see there are some really important events happened from the Eurozone with German GDP. From Swiss franc, we are expecting PPI MOM January. MCP members speech is there. From Eurozone we have got GDP as well. Core retail sales from states. Retail from Canada we have got manufacturing sales, new housing. Business inventories are there, and FOMC member speech is there. From New Zealand, there is business NZ PMI. So these are really important events that will take place today, and we would expect that volatility in the market. So starting my analysis with the dollar index, as you can see, the pivot is on 96.85, and it's below the pivot. Even though yesterday we saw a bounce back from the top to bottom, and then it went up again to the top at 97.25 points, and it got rejected again this morning, and it started to have a bearish momentum. But what I can see is, as it's above the pivot, I would expect it that it will try to reach at 97.72 points at least, if not by today, by 15 February 2019, it might try to reach and will break this support. But today I would expect a little bit sideways. It will trade between 96.88 to 97.41 points. So I'm bullish on the moment at the dollar index. Moving on to Euro USD. As you can see, yesterday we saw a really big bullish momentum. Sorry for that. We saw bullish momentum, and then followed by a very big bearish candle and break the weekly support as well, and then came back. Currently it's below the pivot, and as we can see, if the dollar index is on rise, we do expect the Euro USD to fall. But as today we can see that there is GDP of Germany, we do expect a volatility, and we expect a hype, and we expect a bullish momentum fundamentally, but technically it's a bearish momentum. So those traders who are fundamental traders who trade on news, for them I would expect to trade on bullish momentum. Those who are technical traders, I would advise them to that after news they can enter a bearish or a sell trade. So it's going to be really great sell after we get a GDP. After the rise, we can sell the pair. GBPUSD, the same pattern was repeated yesterday. We saw a really big drop from top from 1295, even though my target was 1.1300. It was unable to achieve. It went to 1.29633, and it got bounced back from there, and currently it's trading at 1.28648. It's below the pivot, and I would expect it that if the dollar index rise, it will try to attain at least support 1. So I'm bearish on this one, but fundamental news can change it. But overall, as we can see, the trend is bearish, so we might expect that it will try to attain minimum of support 1.282, and that would be a bearish momentum, and I would expect you that sell below 1.289 and close your position at 1.282. Moving on to USD Canadian dollar, as you can see, the yesterday rise in the prices of oil, even we did not see a really big effect, even though the dollar index was on rise, and we did see the effect. But mostly we might see the effect day after on the next day. So I would expect, as the oil prices went up yesterday, so I would expect the USD Canadian dollar pair to drop as well. On the other side, dollar is also really strong, so it's going to be a really technical or it's going to be really a confused market for USD Canadian dollar. So I would ask those traders who are trading on USD Canadian dollar to stay away at the moment unless we form a certain momentum. As we can see, it's been sideways from last 2 days, and in fact from last couple of weeks it has been sideways. If you look at to the weekly outlet, weekly outlook. So it's just sideways. It's between 1.3320 and 1.31016. So it's kind of sideways for me. It's just in a channel. It has been between the resistance one and support one. It's been trading between these 2 points. Moving into our last pair, which is gold. Looking into the dollar condition, as we expected yesterday the rise, and I speculated, if you have watched my yesterday's analysis, that it will try to attain at least 1.1319, which it attained, or my maximum point was 1320. It attained, and same as euro, it got bounced back, and currently it's trading below the pivot. It has been also trading within this channel of 1303 and 1316, and it has been from last 1 week. It has been trading in this channel, and I'm expecting that it will trade in this channel for a couple of days during this week as well. It's sideways market, so kindly trade in the channel. If it is touching the support one, which is 1303, buy it from there, and if it's at support resistance which at 1316, I would advise you to sell small lots and don't take higher risk on this pair, as the market is sideways for gold. That's all from me with Asim. Kindly click on the subscribe button and don't forget to share the video with your friends. Thank you so much. Have a good trading day.